Today we're going to be swapping out the dirty pool filter with this new KGC filter. Shut the pump off, release the pressure, take this cap, turn off like this, remove the ring, get that off like this, pull the filter out. Got the new filter with the top, flip this over, slide this down through like that, then put the end cap on, taking note of where the breather hole is, there and there. Shut the breather hole and start the pump. Bleed some of the air off so it doesn't go back through the piping. There we go, like that. Closed it. Everything's going good. And now the startup pressure is well below what it was before. It was all the way up here in 20. So we're seeing about a 10 psi drop with the new filter.